Welcome back to Big Easy Garage. I'm Jason, I'm your host, and I have updates. Well, it's been a little while since we've made progress on the K10. It's been a little while since we've done any posting, and there's a reason for that. We did move. We've had other things going on in our personal life, but we've got some updates, and I'm about to show you what's going on. So let me spin you around, and we'll get to it. Well, guys, here's a major update. They started framing today and doing the form for the cement base that we're going to put our 30 by 30 shop on. So here within a few weeks, you'll see the progression in one video, but within a few weeks from me today, we'll have a 30 by 30 shop up here, and we'll have bay on it, ready to go, concrete floor, and it'll be big enough that we can get a lift in there and get it going, so we can get the K10 project Big Easy underway and start some other projects after that. Today they did the form, they did the plastic, they did the wire mesh. Tomorrow they'll pour, and after that it's just finishing, letting it set, and we've got the building that we've got ready to go. We've got to get it finalized on the order, but a few weeks after that she'll be up. So next time you see me, you'll see some concrete hopefully, and start seeing some more progress. But in the meantime, here it is. That's gonna be the new shop site. We got plenty of parking over here for other projects. Got plenty of parking in front of me for other projects and equipment. So things are going. It's been a while, but we're getting there. So just continue to watch and you'll see the progress. Good morning and welcome. It's a new day. It's actually lunchtime. Just had an amazing pineapple bratwurst we got over here at a local meat company. Man, that thing was fine. But as promised, we have concrete slab. It has been poured. Right now they're working on it, trying to smooth it out. We've got some other projects going around the homestead, so you can still hear the concrete truck in the background. But like I said, we got concrete, baby. It's a 32 by 32 slab. We're gonna put up a 30 by 30 building on it, and we're gonna get rocking and rolling. So stay tuned and keep watching. We got more coming. Good evening, everybody. This is like day 3 of the shop update video, and today I was on the tractor all afternoon, and kind of made me a little dirt road path to the shop. It's not finished yet, but it's looking pretty good. It's nice and getting smooth, and I'll spin around this way. There's the old truck and the cat. But yeah, we're making headway. We do have the building on order now. It is official. It's been paid, ordered. According to the guy, should be here in like 2-3 weeks max. We did a 30 by 30. We got a 12 by 12 hoist door, like front door with a hoist on a chain hoist. 36 by 80 entry door. We did a 512 pitch on it with 13-foot legs, so that should give us plenty of ceiling height in the center if we want to put a 4-post shop, like shop lift in there. And so we're kind of looking at that to do eventually down the road, but this will give us a nice concrete surface we could jack things up on, put them on jack stands, and not worry about the ground giving out or rolling or anything like that. Plus, we'll be able to put a shop fan. Eventually, we'll have power and air conditioner and all that. But right now, we're going to try to keep it simple, because that's what this whole channel is about, is just doing things with the budget you got. We were able to get the shop, but right now I'm going to run it off a generator. Picked up a really nice generator. And so we're going to do that, and we're going to be able to run a shop fan, some shop lights, and then just a decent size air compressor, nothing crazy. But we'll just show you how it's done, and we'll get working on that K10 and get it going. I did call today about the engine, put my mechanic or machinist, whatever. he's out sick for the week, and so we'll be next week before we get the engine, but not a big deal. We're still steadily clicking along. So tomorrow's going to be some more dirt work. I didn't film it because I didn't really think you guys needed to see me on the tractor just spreading dirt back and forth for hours, and I'll do a little bit of that tomorrow. Slight mishap with the camera there, but all I was saying is we'll give you some more updates when the shop comes in, or we get any updates on the shop, or as they're putting it up, we'll try to film that process a little bit and give you some bird's eye view of that. But yeah, everything's clicking along good. We'll work on this road a little bit more and kind of get it built up, get it packed down some more tomorrow, and get us a road to the Big Easy garage. But there it is. That's a day. That's what we've had going on. And just keep watching. You'll see the progression come steadily, and then we'll start working on wrenching on the K10 and getting it going. And hopefully, you guys will follow along. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Just hit the subscribe. It's free. Hit the like if you like the video, the bell for notifications. We're not monetized. We don't have a lot of followers. We're doing this is for fun. We're just trying to show you guys that you don't have to have a super big budget. And no matter what you do, whatever your budget is, you could get something going and just take it as far as you want to. I mean, we started off with a 20 by 20 carport that had grass as the floor. So I bought a Harbor Freight jack Harbor Freight jack and jack stands, and I've just been wrenching a little bit at a time. It's taken me a while to do it, but the end result will be definitely worth it. And I'm just going along with what budget I have. So you can too. Just get out there and do it. Have some fun, but continue to watch the video. There's definitely more to come. This isn't over. But I did want to just take a moment and just say thanks for everybody for watching it. If you do like it, please hit the thumbs up. Hit the bell to stay notified. And if you don't mind, subscribe. Tell your friends and family. Let's help build this channel and the community. And once again, we'll show you some more progress. Thanks. Have a good evening. Well, the time's here, guys. It's been like a 2-month wait, but we finally got the building delivered. They've got the everything on the trailer right there, and they're starting to lay it out, and we're going to put it out there on that concrete slab. So the next update you get, you'll see the frame up. You'll start seeing the construction, and man, it is an exciting day today. Finally getting our 30 by 30 building built. Got a nice shop door going in it. Chain hoist 12 by 10 or 12 by 12. It's going to look great, man, and we're going to have a great place to work on these trucks, cars, restoration projects, just whatever we want to do. So stay tuned, man. We got some more coming, but hey, man, we're getting it going. All right. Well, there's the frame. They got the door. They got the trusses in. They're working on it. It's going to be nice, 30 by 30. And a front bay door, side walk-in door, 36 by 80. Nice concrete slab. Oh yeah, she's looking right. Looking real good. All right, more updates to come. Top of the morning to you. It's about 6:45 in the morning. About 3 days later than the last time I filmed. And I don't know if you can see behind me, but the shop still looks like the same configuration. Basically what happened was they put the wrong pitch on the roof there, and I noticed it, and so they had to go back and cut more material, and of course the office is several hours away, so they finished up for that day, and then yesterday or whatever, they supposedly getting everything back together and going to show up between 6 and 8 this morning. Like I said, it's about 6:45, so they got about an hour and 15 minutes before they're supposed to show up at the later part of the time. But that's, they put a 312 pitch on there, and this is a 30 by 30 building with a 12 by 12 garage door on the front, and I'm only going to have basically one bay in it, and eventually want to put a lift in there, so I opted for a 512 pitch roof to give me a few more feet in the center there. But let's go over this and kind of show you what we got. We'll walk in here and we'll point everything out, and we'll kind of show you what we got going on. Let me turn this camera around. All right, like I was saying before, that's a 312 pitch, and I asked for a 512 pitch. So that's going to be a little bit steeper angle on that, which will also give us, honestly, about an extra 3 feet on the center height there. They do have those bars, as you see in the middle there, that are support bars, and that was one of the main reasons that I wanted to go 512, because when you go 30 foot wide or so on these buildings, they have that support bar that goes in there, and it kind of takes out some of your ceiling height. I got 13 foot legs, and then when I go up another 3 foot on this, so I should have close to 15 or 16 feet in the center there. We've got a 12 by 12 garage door going in here, and they will cut that base out, so it'll be a smooth transition. But here's our concrete slab that we got poured about 2 months ago, because we've been waiting on this building for a while. But here's a door. It's a 36 by 80. It's got a little diamond window so I can see out, but there's no other windows on this particular build. But they've got the frame up. They'll have to come back and replace these joists and cut new flashing for the sides. And then after that, they'll start putting everything together, all the tin on the sides, and getting it all squared away. But if you see 13 foot legs, if you add another, say 3 foot to that cross bracing that goes there, then you'll see that we'll have, 15, 16 foot. And when I put a shop lift right in the middle, hey, there's my cat, Savage, inspecting the place, checking it out. Anyway, but if I put a lift right in the middle here, then I will be able to have some more height for a vehicle. And I want to put a 4-post lift, but that way I could do all kinds of different things to it, and not have to worry about concrete and anchoring, like a 2-post lift. But this is it. So it's I've used these buildings quite a bit. The one that we came out of was a 20 by 20 carport. It was built the same, except the back wall here didn't have any type of reinforcement, and of course the front didn't. It was just the reinforcement on the sides like this, and they're 5 foot spacings on those, I believe. So there should be 5 foot spacing on those, and I mean they're pretty strong. Like I said, I used that other carport for quite a while before we were able to get something like this. But they anchor it all into the concrete with nice concrete anchors. And of course they have those every so often. I think these things are supposed to withstand like 140 mile an hour hurricane force winds. We're going to get a 2-tone tin on the sides, a black roll-up door. It's going to be pretty sharp when you see it, but that'll be the door there. They'll also cut the frame out for the bottom of the door there, and then they'll cut the frame there so it'll be flush. They're supposed to cut this door out. I asked them to, and I just noticed that they set the door on top of it, so I will have to I'll have to get them to replace that. But that frame's supposed to go on the ground, and I don't know why they didn't. So that's one thing that we'll have to get them to redo, because that's not the way it was designed. Anyway, but they'll cut this out here, and so it'll be a smooth transition coming in, this bar here going across. So anyway, but this is the shop. When they get here today, we'll take some more videos and show you what the progress is as it's going up. And of course, when the finished product is done, we'll start showing that too. But this is it. It's got a nice ceiling height, and should have plenty of room for the tools and a lift, and get to work on some of these vehicles. All right, guys, I'll show you some more in just a minute. Well, look behind me, guys. The building is done. That is what a 512 pitch on a 30 by 30 looks like. 12-foot bay door with a hoist. You can see that we have our side 36 by 80 entry door. But that's it. She's Quaker gray and black trim, black front door, 6-inch hangover all the way around on a 32 by 32 slab. So it's time now to get inside and start, painting the floor, sealing it up, and bringing our truck in and all our parts so we can get it squared away. But let's go check it out, and we'll show you what we got going on. Hey, y'all come on in and check it out. So this is it. It's our 30 by 30. See, we've already started to seal the concrete We're doing it about 12 foot wide because we're still on a budget on this channel, and this is where we're going to park the truck. We're just trying to keep the transmission fluids, the rear end fluids, the engine oil, that sort of thing to a minimum. So we're going to keep the floor clean, and we're going to do this with some concrete sealant, some like a charcoal gray concrete sealant. We're going to put that in the middle, and then we're going to caulk around the outside and the inside to try to keep it watertight. But basically, 12-foot door, side door. We're going to have a bay right here in the middle, and then the tools, any type of air compressors, toolboxes, stands, whatever, will go along the side. And apparently, you see our kids. We have Savage, we have Cadillac over here. Also, coming up in another video, we went to the machine shop a couple days ago, and we picked up our new engine. So that's our 4.8 liter LS, and we'll get to that later on, but that's what's going into Project Big Easy, our KT. So let me bust out some more concrete sealant and get the floor taken care of, and we'll catch you on the next video. Once again, thanks for watching Big Easy Garage. Please like and subscribe, share, tell everyone, and leave us a comment, tell us what you want to see in our upcoming videos. Thanks a lot and have a good day.